Lesson 8. 让我想想再告诉你. Let me think about it and then I will tell you. Text 1. 我们下午去看电影好吗? So we afternoon go see film, okay? 今天下午我没有时间，明天下午再去吧。So today afternoon I don't have time. Tomorrow afternoon, let's go. 你想看什么电影? You want to see what film? 让我想想再告诉你. Let me think about it and then I will tell you. We see the character 在 in this text twice. It means, literally it means again, but in here it's like, first I will do this and then I will do something. Yeah, so in here it means then. Text 2. 外边天气很好，我们出去运动运动吧。Outside, the weather is great. We go out, exercise. 运动 is said twice in here. It's just makes it more informal. It sounds more informal. Sometimes we say some words twice. 你等等我好吗? You wait for me, okay? 王老师让我给大卫打个电话. So, Teacher Wang asked me to give David a call. 回来再打吧. Call when you're back. It's like return, then call. 找大卫有什么事情吗? So, looking for David has something, like, why do you want to talk to David? 听说大卫病了，我想找时间去看看他。So I heard that David is sick. I want to find some time to go see him, to go check on him. In here, 看 is also repeated. So we say 看看, it means to have a look, to check. It just sounds more informal. Text 3. 服务员，我房间的门打不开了。服务员 is a server. 服务 means service. 员 is a staff. One person of a staff. Someone who does some kind of job. So 服务员 is the person who serves. 我房间的门 So my room's door cannot open. 打不开了。打, it means to beat, right? That's the original meaning. We also learned 打球, to play ball, to play some kind of sports. We also use this character 打. But in here, when we say 打开 means to open, actually. So 打不开, you cannot open. It can be a door or like a can, a tin of Coca-Cola or a drink that you want to open as well. 您住哪个房间? So you live in which room? 317, 317. Notice that the character 1, E, is pronounced 幺 in here. It's very common that we sometimes say 一 or sometimes we say 幺. Usually when it's in a number, like a phone number, we would say 幺, or like a room number, we say 幺. If you want to say one of something, we won't pronounce it as 幺, we will just say 一个 something. 好的，我叫人去看看。Okay, I'll ask someone to go check. Text 4. 你看看这几件衣服怎么样? So you see these few pieces of clothes. How about them? 这件白的有点长. So this white piece It's a kind of long. 那件黑的有点贵。That black one is a little bit expensive. 这件红的呢？How about this piece of red? 这是今天新来的。This is today's new arrived, a new arrival of today. 让我再看看。Let me see more. Let me see. Have more look of other things. We learned some words to say colors in here. 白 white, 黑 black, 红 red. And we also learned other colors before, like pink. Do you remember? 粉